So intro to Odoo. So we will go Odoo and check it first. Let's check it official website. This is a Odoo official website. So what is Odoo? Odoo is an open source business management software that offers a wide range of application for different business needs such as CRM, accounting, e-commerce, etc. And another topic we will discuss is ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Is software that helps business manage integrate key operations such as finance, sales, HR, supply chains, etc. It centralizes data, streamlines process, and improve efficiency by allowing department to share information easily. So these are the main differences